Good morning, world. Excuse our dirty room. Dead, but dirty. We can clean it just like this. Package. I'll explain later. We're going to a Cars and Coffee meet about 30 minutes from here. Supposedly it's the biggest one. I never get to go because I always work Saturdays. But we're going today. My car looks kind of dirty. But look who just showed up. Subi boy. Damn.
What do you do on my Subaru?
Huh?
What do you do on my Subaru?
Why? Because that bird will shit on it.
This car is shit.
Damn. Guys, I want to let it down below who's gonna win in a race. Me or him? I say him, but I like to tell him it's me.
I think we know the answer.
Multi-purpose on your side?
In the truck.
By that, we share the same M&M, Snickers.
Two sauces and muffins without it.
Yeah, no egg. And then 2 hash browns and a large sweet tea.
So you're supposed to be 11
What?
Already 30 here. What's the plan?
We can eat over there.
While driving.
Are you gonna eat while driving?
Drive while I eat.
Yeah. That's it. I'm not eating while driving. I'm not eating when I get back. We made it. Barely. We had to park so far because we're not high class. I want to see R34. I just have this one here.
Style.
Feature in the feature meet. Derek, what are you doing here?
That's the better version. Look. God.
Oh, it is. I didn't even see that. It's got a left and a do the hump, big hump. Oh, these taillights gas. Oh, this is somebody's. Oh, this is his. How much you want for it? I get 200 likes for taking that Subi, for buying it. 200 though. I don't think I've ever reached 200. Right? That's great. Oh yeah, the green. Let's go over there. The super cars.
Fuck it up.
That color's hard though. I thought about wrapping my car that color. Look at this though, this is hard. Your axle's blown.
It's clean.
Yeah. It's hard.
No, it's not.
Fuck you, nigga.
Bro. What the heck?
Oh.
Right?
We left the meet. We came shopping.
Hard. Come on.
Hard.
What did I say about encouraging him?
The meat was okay, but we got a package. Normally, let's see, return policy, damage claim, shipping information. I'm gonna take this off. Oof. Everyone knows what this is already by the title, just a video. Oh, you want to cut away. But I thought I'd open it anyways and show you guys that it's here. And then I'm gonna spend a little bit more after it's open. More washers. Thank you, Vincent. And let turbo. Now from my understanding, this is just the same one, but it's just they fixed a problem on it. So hopefully this part looks new, but then this part looks like it's the older one. I forgot how the turbo's supposed to look. Oh shoot, they fixed the weld in there too. Oh shit. Vincent, thank you. So obviously just want to give a huge shout out to Vincent from 271. Let me get some towel. Just want to give a huge shout out to Vincent, for hooking me up. This looks new, like this looks a lot cleaner. And then I go over here, and if you guys remember when I bought this turbo, it had the little crack right here. If you guys remember that, let me see if I can zoom. It had like a little crack right here, which happens to the OEM one, and he actually fixed that. Thank you, Vincent. Wow, actually though. So the wheel's good. That's fixed. I just gotta get the hardware. I thought he put the hardware in here, which I don't think it is, so I gotta, yeah. It's fine. Wow. Actually though, thank you, Vincent. Gotta hit him up for the hardware. I need to get the oil feed line, the return line, or the coolant line, the oil line, and then I need to get this all situated. But shit, this looks like a brand new turbo. Actually though. So just huge shout out to Vincent for that, man. That's fucking dope. So need to order those in. I will be getting those soon. Got some extra washers just in case. Wow, that's actually dope. I didn't think he was gonna do all that. I think that's pretty much it though, right? Yeah. So just gotta get the oil return line. Get a new set, because if it's a new turbo-ish, which it looks like it is, then we gotta do that. So let me just take a couple pictures of it, and then I'll see you guys upstairs. Alright, hopefully this comes out good. It's about a few days later. I'm getting ready to stream right now, and I just took a shower because I worked out. By the way, if you guys want to see some kind of workout videos, I'm starting to work out now because your boy over the last few months gained a lot of weight. So you're trying to lose all the weight now. But if you guys want to see some workout videos, just let me know. And I'm hella down to do this, to film my fitness journey. But try to make this as quick as I can because I'm getting ready to stream. First off, huge thank you to 271 again, you know, for fixing the turbo, sending it back to me. Easy peasy. Obviously, I can't put it in yet because I don't have the oil feed line, the return line, the coolant return line. So I gotta get all that here before I can put it back in. Plus, we gotta put the intercooler back in, and then we got some more things to do. So just like I said before, man, huge shout out to 271 for hooking me up and taking care of your boy and fixing that turbo for me. So like I said, the thing looks clean, it looks brand new. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I know we haven't been doing a lot of install videos, but I have been you know, making a lot of fun with these contents. I hope you guys are down for more vlogs. Like, I know the last video didn't do too well, but don't worry, I want to vlog more of my life and go to like more car meets and stuff, and just show you guys pretty much just my lifestyle and everything. So we're getting ready for what's coming up and what, you know, everything that's soon to come, because once we get rolling here, we're gonna grind all year, man. It's gonna be crazy. So yeah, I mean, if you guys want to follow my Twitch channel, it's twitch.tv/stackerproductions. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, stacker.productions. Your boy is always on Instagram. I'm gonna try to stream as much as I can this year. It's something that I also want to do as well. So I'm gonna try to get into streaming a little bit more on Twitch, not on YouTube. Just keep it a little separated, and keep my car stuff on YouTube, and then my gaming stuff on Instagram or on Twitch. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of weird and short and a little different, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We just hit 3K. We still have the giveaway going, which is gonna end pretty soon. Let me see how many days you guys got. You guys got 6 days. 6 days until the giveaway is over, and then I'll announce the winner on the next video. So that's pretty much when I should announce it, right? Next video. Yeah. So man, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. Enter the giveaway. You never know who's gonna win. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the love and support again and again through each video. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys not already. See you guys next time. Peace.